At makikita natin doon,
Ferriols was there standing for an eternity.
tama ka riyan at hindi na siya gumalaw doon.
Hindi na talaga gumalaw.
Kahit wala siya doon sa restricted area, hindi rin gumalaw itong si John Ferriols doon sa atake na yan. At si Miko Halili mukhang gusto niya isama ni LA sa
naghahanap ng ano
kahit kababayan ko yan. Malinaw yung
malinaw. We have to tell him the truth. And so with 8 seconds to go, it's a 3-point lead para sa Alaska. They could be 8 seconds away from entering the finals. 8 seconds na lamang bang natitira sa miracle run of San Miguel.
But first, itong si Dale Singson has to learn from the lesson na nangyari kanina. He has to make the free throw arbitration a 2-possession ball game.
Here's Cablay. San Miguel down by 4 points, 5 seconds to go. Gonzalez for 3. No. And the Alaska Aces will win in double overtime. 113-109 to enter the Fiesta Conference Finals. Winning the series 4 games to 2.
And what a game we've seen. Miko, ibang klase. Ay binabanggit natin. Sino ang mas may matatag na puso? Yun ang nagpakita rito. Alaska, kahit nung una si Ellis ang nagdala sa kanila, but a lot of players stepped up. We're talking about Biller, we're talking about Cortez, even Hugnatan and Ferriols. Ibang klase ang contribution nila sa laban na ito.
And finally, we get to bring you the final score. Yan, 113-109, Alaska winning by 4 in double overtime. Atin sa inyo na San Miguel Beer, Pilsen and Beer na walang katulad. Let's go to Dominic Uy.
Willie, congratulations, making it to the finals. Gaano kahirap itong larong ito?
Napakahirap, dumating pa sa second overtime. Alam naman natin yung San Miguel at yung Alaska, puro defensive team eh. Napakahirap, buti lang nanalo kami sa uli.
Hinahanap ka buong series and today, pinakita mo yung laro mo.
Ayun nga, nagkaroon ng opportunity sa mga outside shots kasi masyado sila nakafocus ngayon kay Rowe. So,
alright, congratulations Willie. Back to the panel.
Kita nyo naman, hingal na hingal si Willie Miller eh. Bakit naman hindi? Nagkaroon pa tayo ng, we had 4 quarters and 2 overtime periods. And Willie Miller is our choice for the best player of the game.
Series high na 20 points ang ibinigay ni Willie Miller. But more importantly, I think yung pagputok niya nung first overtime was very much telling dito sa laban na ito. Nakakita na kakampi itong si Rosel Ellis na somehow unburdened by the burden na siya mismo lang ang nagdadala sa kanyang koponan.
And congratulations to Willie Miller, and Dominic Uy is with a very relieved man, Tim Cohn.
Coach, congratulations. You look very relieved. Making it 19th time in the finals. How does it feel?
It's been a long time. You know, the other ones have been a long time ago, so it's really nice to be in right now. I just want to give San Miguel and Short Talkinson all the credit for doing this tremendous job of coming back in this conference and winning all those knockout games. But wow, my hat's off to them, and I got to give the referees a tip of the cap too. They made a gutsy call there at the end. They could have called it the other way. They made a gutsy call, and you know, we were complaining about the referee in all games. So yeah, it just tip the hat to them as well. But San Miguel, what an awesome team, what an awesome coach, what an awesome organization.
Coach, now it's time for the finals. Looking forward. Is it Alaska's time again? Fearless forecast.
Oh, Jay, I'm not even thinking about the final. I'm still in shock over this one. Double overtime. Not wanting to go to Game 7. You know, whatever happens, you know, whether it's Red Bull or Talking Tex, we're just going to go get ourselves ready. You know, we've been there. I've won, what, 11 times out of the 19. I've lost 8. So, you know, it's really up in the air. I hope we can get another one. I don't think this team is going to be just happy to be in the finals. With a leader like Roussel and Jeffrey, even though he's hurt, I think we're going to really go after this one.
All right, Coach, congratulations. Miko, Rado.
Salamat, Dominic, and Tim Cohn. That is one man who is relieved. He is going to go to the finals thanks to the efforts of Willie Miller na siya namang ating TM3 King sa gabing ito. 50% from Rainbow Gun. Yeah, those killer back-to-back 3-point conversions, Rado.
Oo, hindi sila naka-score nga ng 3-pointer ng first half eh. Not until binutas ito ni Willie Miller ng dalawa ng third quarter at dalawa ng first overtime.
And from our TM3 King, titingnan natin ang ating Gatorade game turning point.
Well, ito yung galaw ni John Ferriols. against Rico Villanueva. Ito yung sinasabi nga natin, lahat pagod na, pero players like Hugnatan and John Periols contributed to Alaska for that.